and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app.
Right, Yama for Aquaba and Famra Kumawood television. And then a juada a da Uyankopon CC. Say yes, sorry. Na a boy on 9 pound bay minute 9. And I say Unyame I be bar. Yatrasi Sinipi bre and Answa. Ibinyamre na it me a Sinipi. And then a 4th May 2020. And the Oshe and Contabuno. Ewo enemua na onyame adom aka 241 days to end the year 2020. But I feel oh my Ghana ni wiase nyina no enhye dan koye sa ewo akomden afem nyina ene se yare kodiewu novel coronavirus ene ne edi wiase nyina enya yatona se ebinyamre na yatumi adi ho enkomo na World Press Freedom Day da ye yesi ho de boa bonse frefo baso atumi ahyo mu kran mpanifo akasa ama kane mampanin dada John Dramani Mahama enso aka nsem bi de o kane se ebra no yo mampanin no na oman no enema ko animu pa nsantwerefo wo fa hodi nanso we nei se wo fa hodi no wo fom pa ebenyamre na yatumi adi enkomedin edi se mic aha Kumawood television senenso say okay screen ania numbers big so WhatsApp land no roje nchereba na yetimi anyamre akenkan e de ama but over the weekend ya ntia sempa one of our Kumawood star Bishop Bernard Nyakon nyame atonesa e de afa papa in fact nyina yete no eboyinya pa na yenim say Bishop yare de but we didn't expect say obeje ye hwakọ at this time of the year yema nebusuafo eno mangana na hwefo nyina no obia yakọ especially yen Kumawood television it say abai yene mo na enya nyame enchire nyina yere yebenyamre na yedi nkomo hyene nso se ye waseda bia yede ebema yaboafo mo boaye ema yede dwumadi etumi ede abremo Anolin Royal Enterprise wasi eba se ope mfidie ede abonyom etie nyom aya sorry a bana kache no mo na oma obi ento na nigi sem kra nso ne se woye asori anase ekuo bi na so beso beto instrument na obenyamre na odi ama no twa na kakra kopem se wangasa no obetumi atu awie kohoy na omwa emrepem locations nya no ebetumi edi ama sanso so ena kafefe capsules kafefe na mofo no nyina ajeso ofie talala edro ba ko a enei emayo a mo secondary schools and tertiary institutions eboa mo menstrual pain no etumi atu ase kafefe capsules mema no so a odwonso na bema me yo ya no unya dro bi no etia boa pa ho nkomo ebenyamre na no so yetumi ede ama emrepemu midin ede se mic ha Kumawood television sinupi na ya transe a ene yede ebro ebenyamre na oman Ghana nsem no yesinupi na ene on me take on snippy me busa say Ghana for ye na ye den as Ghanaians say nose mask no ye be she ana say e bia boapayo na ye say ye nhye kra ye na ye den say nose mask no ye be she ana say boapayo so ye nhye kra social distancing no so no eno so no eti saying eno ye boapro na abusuafo na nye kra ebenyamre na yetumi adi nkomo ewa ha mabedwafo no nso ewa ha enti mibusa wo ebiu se ye na ye den se nose mask no ye behye ana se ye boapayo edi enso nti na ama yentimi eni social distancing nso eso we ene asemu a epese wo sinipi na etimi ete asiyi ewa ha ene mpelifo nso ebedi nkomo ewa homa no so mabedwafo na transe amenko makwaba na afi yen hyase eni nkomo ha Kumawood television channel so say uko YouTuber Samdakus TV obenya yo na afi no watimi ahwe live sanso na ofon no Apple Play Store no bomodin a na download Kumawood TV obetimi ahwe live and so ɛwɔ wankasa wo phone ekuta wo no ɛso ame kɔma badwafo akwaba na afi no yɛn hyɛ nkɔmɔ twetwe no ase ɛwɔ ha Mr. Akwasi Kunadu ɛyɛ Mensia North NPP parliamentary candidate hopeful ɔbɛni akwaba
say Mike Mejoso
ibi abakɔ deɛ
Jana drum mo bro hunti e ho ye pa na so e
nyame adom ye ho ye pa won na ye fe
oh me da se obi na kan o se ahon fe de wo me o mo de wo
o ye de wo ho
oh ye de wo
oh wow
na me aso adom ni ntime hwe mo ho ye kakra
wow but eno ye so ko ya do ye bi
oh no cre we busa dia o se ma me nchia me mpesua so for Mensia North Mensia Council of Elders ni executive se wo ho nyina police station for so was me chia na me chia coordinators no more ehia pa ye timemu for no yes
okay
what it nya kremoni kra wo ye bi me ye bi pa because erade
okay
man executives and coordinators ekambom ema yetu anamoko masarachi ewo ye mpesua yo about 15 masarachi no omuka no masarachi ay broni beka no mosque baby a ene pompanyinfo ne omahemfo mpanyinfo ewo ho nyina akodidi nkomo mo bro hu so efrerade ho ye ko so eja sebi se yemfa yefno pan so no hyen aben nti kakra erade dudum ye na ye sitre ti ene milk betimi de agum sebe ya ye bompa ye sre erade ni ye brekia aso ede to aso no yame so no ye koye sa do ye kakra ne de ka ho a je se ye ni so ye fe ye ni so ye fe no apa
okay so ye fe Mensia no boko
o Mensia no boko Mensia no boko ja so te Mensia no pe Kumasi akoma ba kono no Kumasi akoma ba kono no e mu nipa so de onza asomdwe ne pani mpuntu odone kro ye nti Mensia no de ho boko pa
okay evangelist Richard Pra eye nhyiaye so NDC parliamentary candidate oso pon baba
me da siminia
boko de
nyankopon be ye no wa ya wi ni aka ye honam ani nipa nhyehyeye wo hwe nso o man ye dia hye opanyini bi nsa na ne ntoto ye no ama asete mu ayede ye goso bom pa ye enkoyi
oza
enkoyi nti e ho nkomo pa na ne ye bibi
na sore te sen
nyame adom sese na wotwe enum ni ye ntumi nkwa asore enam yade a besense wiem ene ye nhyehyeye a ankoyi ni nti ntumi nkwa asore no opanyini bi bisa amasem bi say sorry ye won nhyiaye so ahaya ye wei mame nchia nhyiaye so fo ehwe ene empanyinfo a won nhyiaye so na baabi a ye wei ye ben atenga junction wo opanyini wo fie ha what say akromfo edi nkrofo nya wo junction no so na wabie wo pono ato ho samre no mpo a omo ben wo no na wate asi abonten se mekọ ahudwo akọtọ ade aba wo ba fie no akromfo no ni wo ne wura fie wo wura fie na ko wura kitchen ekopa kitchen knife a wo se wo ma no emmonsema ema because wo fight akromfo na wa wo nhihye nti o ma ba fie sanka otu wupunu ebia nka ndru so bia mepa chense COVID-19 na ewo ho no kire se started 2019 Ghana ye record ye case 2020 February March mo die na ewo se ye die ne ya anye nti beto amansan
right but if you must say in share so they say you are just wasting your time. In share so the NDC they say
good
and said that is how
uncommon yemede. In politics there's nothing like waste of time. They bring import to make oversell ballots no tuma we have there's nothing like a wasted ballot. Even someone kotu abanumpa you have also proven a point. Enti near Emma Wokan say, Inshia so NDC really were harder. But they be a mecase, woni penny sono, Eddie, but Bibian were Eddie Merade. Yamshe, my MPP for New Year or more primaries. Yabesan so baby dim komobi.
Right, I was we no Asia be a major. Inshia so dear Sanka, Inshia so dear. Inshia so your baby, I was Sanka, or how when you see Kanamana Broswana.
And yes, it can be a many abroso. Near Messanso Acabium, they say. Inshia so I will yen and MPP for, and yet possible. And no matter how small the NDC number may be, I was saying, ma, a this year won't share so the alternative. So we share in share so environment now. Your concerns, you know, ye dance. So what the Minia Aquasicuna do the mention of Yen or more a this year name, or my in him from Cassiano, a one or more, no cry or this year. Hans was Sicafono, Hanomotil, yes, also. So who can at Santa Maya, met me, I say, at Santa Maya, Kuma, and in Shiaso. You were all the big ministries, and Omuti, hotels, I can see, Bibia, or a cratch for doctor for a walk, a year, hospitals, I can see, in our movie, a honey. 80 wouldn't to mean catch anti rigging in Shiasun film. Into your that level headed people were. To me, you almost say, had the MPP, had the MPP. Yema Adeshia no the right to choose. Ni omo pesa omo suma.
But was saying,
me pesa me to me mupi. Ni me wo a me deba. Nyame adom me wo nyame samka entity ene edwuma no mu. Nyame ofra edwuma no ye wom. Na de e kire ne say yemra ye ho ase. Yendo nipa, yenya tema ema nipa. Me wo sa no mani nyina nyame adom sa me fun kwa
provenance
sa me fun kwa nkonkro ne kai said we di ango but se wunya leader odi wani mo ya hantan de wonu mu na oka no nim se obia kokromoti ya ba kope na sa nipa na wo omupia wo kosoro ho otumi se ombesi ufom a na how bibia tochew
ebi wo so wo ya so ana
Matwa man share so for.
What na work? Yes, sinipi. Nti na work nti
sinipi a problem kase pa e won share so no.
Member of parliament for in share so. Or your hand time.
These are your words. At in share so this year. Ni entia omo be sesem no e no ye one factor. O ye minua but mama ha se me beton no. Me ba se me beton me no. In share so this year etie me no. Omo na ebehu ye nyina ahobo.
Me da say Akwazi
sir,
social distancing.
Yeah.
And the wearing of nose mask.
Yeah.
Deliberate. Ema Ghana phobia na say ye ni so. Ana say won say bia mask na ekuta akura no. Ne se na ede.
Say ma me na se na me wura ho no. Ma me nka asem kuma bi. Enze so focus na okay bibi say obi akromfo akogina tinga junction no abafie no abafa sekan. Na just say the was here ne ya anye afi ne ebo but this shows the leveler. Me yes say ebi anka COVID-19 e bai say na buy ne wo ho a ankombeyo. It tells you say na nkomo ni plan bia. That is the first one. Good. COVID-19 about 2019 and it started in Wuhan, China. Yemuzayo and the countries no more record in 2020 no. Sebi ye ka impuntu ya medical class in Ghana no. E dey amane na to wo. By the good measures President Nana Addo did gu na akwan mu no. And on say anye bia no. Ye level at which COVID-19 would have strangled us ke be mia ye no. And enu sa ebi a wono na NDC for ni nyante wo mo ho ase wo mo fi se nke anya yen na nke no amoma benya asem aka ene no emia yen no still na ha wo mo but I believe say emia yen so that say emia yen and who would feed into nose masks social distancing anymore. Also Ghana population we are just about 30 million. In fact it's approximately 30 million.
Even know
No, that is why I said, you see,
we always project.
But you see, in this world that you we, I stand to be corrected. Me jina ho se mafuma yenkyere me. Me nim country a obetimi de ne nsa si ne bo pi. Ebre bia bibisa ni bia se me nipa dodo e wo man ni me say.
But
no country would have that. Mami try to kudentia. Population, even migration feeds into population. Sure. Plane is from a pejanimu, ship illegal from migrants in they will feed into your population at one point in time. See way. Upami your system be behind your be fat. Your body they are part of our population. Until by research, for a very long time, they be your proximity population. You should say your population, say that here. So they say yes. Maybe you can say obi be a bit accurate, but no matter how accurate it is not exact. So they say you know. Sad enunti no, we Ghana population no, any nipa dudu a yenye bia, we don't actually you feel it. Enunti na the wearing of nose masks, any social distancing no, ebi a aye nipa bi modern. Let us assume currently nipa saying ena nyame inform currency COVID-19 do moko nipa 18. There were 16 regions and amebo. So who approximate here? 1 per region. And amebo 1 per region. So you would actually not in the region because it is insignificant in terms of so your regional population analysis per nipa dudu ewa. Ba yema yenua no montia se yare ne wo and ba kokra na hwe ne nkwa wo mu a yare ne na ekuno. It could have been anybody. Kebetima you be a. It yen hu no say anu ne fa nipa be 2700 say 2000 something obenya bi ni ntino. Still 2199. We feel say enu susa. We approximation now define the whole country. You are talking in the neighborhood of almost about nipa say 120. Just than the case in the Greater Accra. So people actually don't see. By yare no because all other countries 900 a day any panic 1,000 a day nipa newu 500 a day nipa newu. I believe say we ka ibehu sene yare ni pompon so any ni hu ye den esitie but then cause an intino enuanum bi no enti ase enemi ni opportunity fa Dr. Mensa baby e fe ball ho no etisi rains ne so say Mike we yemu sheme just me yemu sheme flat
nipa na ba peso
oh chese aba peso keke enna sene yesi di dwa no kra no ehu di odi dwa no no on she nose mask but the proximity to ade na woton no it is just like say the arm straight because I because I quite ho so no mama onim obi say she na ontimi home obetimi ahome imagine say we home is easy forever any say we show a feel say bi ahome ni mu aye shikakra ma wo eni bi enu dey na be prefer. So we should be looking at all of these things. Yetna social media chinyema aye hu yetna television station echi enyema aye hu ne nyema asisi nkronkro bi so a edu ba bi Italy ye fe nipa na nya ba bi inform America of all countries the greatest on earth in terms of nation look at how our COVID-19 yare na SCI American country no ye bam na ne gu ha ebi asem ye fi se ya hyehye nkofi a ebi a ye de barrier na say na na se bi etutuam na bi ye de to ware enyo ware na ye de to nipa na ne yabo no eti memo bi ansusu se ne hye na eden no if you feel a bit uncomfortable in it any problem say bi ye hye on feel is to say the thing because sebi obi ayi so bi oni muntu mefra so frantuma ebe pasa so de bi on fa deja ne be kofi ana meboa e peja ni mu anu odigu e peja ni mu anu odigu ye fa no smarts ne sa fe ni yesu antu mefra eye ya ju se mu wo hekra na ye mie mu ye na fa nhye because we o de bo wan kasa ho ban o de bo wabusua ho ban because at the end of the day obi ni mu a o men to obi e bi wo ne ho bia na betime nya fi ne ho ne bia no obi oyɛ den ɔbɛn wo ntini yɛfɛ no contact tracing obi a woni na nya nkita ho di woni na hyia mu no ɛne betima anye wunu a ɛyɛ ɔyɔnko anye ɔyɔnko yɛ wadanfo ana sɛ wu kodwom nipa na ne kɔtɔ ade afiri no no na hyia ɛna yɛn try as much as possible sɛ anye bia 2 meters ne deɛ
right mama menasi masa ba ho abusua aha ɛyɛ Kumawood television sirupi ɛna yɛatena ase a yɛhwɛ na yɛne abadwafoɔ asi no pie yɛn nkɔmmɔ a yɛahyɛ ase yɛdi no ɛyɛ COVID-19 the novel coronavirus na deɛ yɛbusa ɛne sɛ nose mask no ɛna afei social distancing no Ghanafoɔ ahyɛ da sɛ di ne yɛni soɔ anaasɛ ebi a pɛ sɛ yɛbɔ yɛn ankasa yɛn ho ɛne aban no abɔ some of the borders nso so ɛwɔ ɔman mu nso koraa no information yɛn nya ne sɛ borders no nso mampani afono so no up to the month of this month ending but amanfoɔ wuram yɛsɛ wokɔ dɔmaa west baabi a amanfoɔ fa Ivory Coast amanfoɔ fa baabi wuram wokɔ Alibo a unapproved borders which go ha amanfoɔ afa so ewurawura ɔman no emu yɛ immigration officers the security agencies deɛ na wɔn yɛ yɛatena se yɛnwerɛ na yɛde no nkɔkɔ evangelist mmemmra wɔ na yɛmɛhwɛ nose mask ɛna afei nso no social distance Ghanafoɔ ne so ɛdeɛ ntia
yo meda ya medi kan a mɛka ne sɛ nkyerɛkyerɛ a Borɔfo kasa no ɛka na education no nkɔɔfɔ mu yie sɛ yɛtena TV so anaa radio so ne social media Facebook ne adeɛ ne yɛ ka nipa dodoɔ sɛn na ɛwɔ saa platform no so sɛ Kumawood TV a yɛwɔ yi mempa ɛbɔ ne sɛ nka Ghana nyinaa bɛhwɛ but is it possible? It's not possible. And yet possible. Yɛwɔ baabi nkronkro ni bi wɔ ɔkora mpo a ɔmu ni network ɔmu ni TV station ɔmu nya TV station kanea ni hɔ wambɔ pole kanea mpo wambɔ pole ɛnsi no pepɔ so anaasɛ wɔntwa nkankuro deɛ ɛwɔ hɔ a wonya TV enti if we assume sɛ yadeɛ no ba wonim sɛ obi wɔ Ghana wɔnte kora mpo sɛ biribi saa wɔ so ne nyinaa goes down to the fact that education no from hɔ nti yɛn yɛafa to yɛn ho sɛ yɛbɛwura fiefie
but deɛ wɔkan no ɛyɛ ɔmo a ɔmo wɔ the aspect the interior part of the country bɛn sɛdeɛ ɔno abɔ kan wobɛkum ase a amanfo ate bɛn ɔmo ni so ɛno ayɛ kɔ ɔmo nsu ta wokɔ hɔ a obiara nyi so most of them nyi so nti ɔno nso bɛka sɛ wɔn ɔmo nte ana
yeah. Meanwhile, aboa no yadeɛ na aboa no baabi a ɔfa yɛ wanum ɛne wo hwenem most but yɛn nyinaa yɛnkɔ a yɛakɔ school no yɛhwɛ sɛ ne yɛsi yɛyɛ nɔɔma fa but yareɛ no ɛwɔ hɔ ɛyɛ real ɛno nti na number ne da biara ɛkɔ soro no te sɛ yɛtwa mu 2000 enti wohwɛ deɛ ɛkɔ so okegye tia ne adum ne adeɛ na ɛmɛkɔɔ Saturday kɔtɔ adeɛ awerɛho hwɛ shops no mpo a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmunya adeɛ bɛhohoro yɛn nsa ɛne adeɛ ɛni hɔ wotumi wura obi shop wonhyɛ nose mask ɛmfa no na deɛ ɔtɔn no na ɔtɔn awerɛho enti sɛ yɛahwɛ nneɛma bi yie a saa mmerɛ yi a yɛalefte wei mempɛ sɛ nka ɛbɛduru mpɛmpɛnsoa a yɛbɛka sɛ total lockdown ɛno mpo bɛyɛ curfew sɛnea nanado ɔmampanyini kan no ne kasa ɛtwa toɔ no mu ɛnsɛ sɛ yɛduru saa mpɛmpɛnsoa no mimpo lockdown no mpo no na mehwɛ sɛ nka Accra yɛbɛma ɔmo bɛɛ na wɔtwe anaa na wɔtwe mmienu because Accra number ne yɛ almost 1008 de ɛwɔ soro papapapapa nti sɛ yɛka ne nyinaa futuu mu na ɛde saa ɔhaw ne bɛba yareɛ wei nso no ɛyɛ nipa ɛna ɛde ba ɛni ɛnan ɛyɛ nipa na ɛsoa Borɔfo kasɛm it is the human being that carry the virus ɛno nti sɛ nanado ɛsi yɛn nsa nso nkɔ back because nhyehyɛeɛ bi ankɔ yie sɛ ɔmo angyae yɛ ade a ɛyɛ ɔhaw bebree nso bɛba na yɛn nipa no yɛmma yɛn mfa no ɛho hia yɛ ne yɛmmɔ yɛn ho ban distance social distance wɔn anim gap ɛwɔ sɛ ɔde ma ne nua nose mask ebi si wɔn ho mate me ba ya machine ni ba bi a traffic omo e to nose mask no kra ba omo body na me bi so maame ade na wo ton se me nto no ye de hye ye hwene o wo de ato abodi o emu ohye ne ade na wa kan we kire me no wo se me me nto wo a wo ton ade no wuntumi use wo ton ama me se me use wo mu de angle no ena ye so mpanyifo no maame nka no set yi so menua ye mi ensa ye wo set yi so ye difo
but ye de no ibia ye be kire mu se looking at the distance between here no I will say the biane cancer be 2 meters
yes
eno de e na enye o how nti za wo se nose mask na wo se wo ko nipa dom wo ben nipa obi ben wo kase betimi aben wo no eno na se nose mask
good one point so ne say one say omo so ko e hye no omo ne wo be kasa na omo yi aba fom meanwhile idea e wo say ye most ne say mra woni obi kasa no na wo say wo de kata wa no say be ya say bi ntesuo ne we na efiri mu ba no enko nipa no so ana nipa no so o kasa bu so no at least wo bibia wo de kata wo hwene ne wa no nti an unhume so ya de ni bia enti yama education nkofo me challenge me nua we click like that ni eche ye mu ye NDC ni MPP ye nyina ye fa nto ye ho so afi na meba afi no no so eba ye mfa nye yama education nkofo ye sitting MPs so many time say ye fa say adwuma no ni ye de ye house to house say ebeboa yen ebe enhance your chances of winning no enti yema education nkofo pa yembe ni pa ni enchire omo ye hia
abusia ahaya kuma television silupi jumadi are the bro Mondays 4:30 to 6:30 to Fridays no na yidi enkomo kwaje nche no ebra we screen no di mu abu se WhatsApp line ba na kwaje nche no efa so ebra 0543 596 070 0543 596 070 kwaje nche no bra na inyamre enkenkan into me emfa ema ameko honorable kwasi ubeka se omampani ni aben omugbo omode abwa timamufo ewa hunhia yakomia emwano is it enough for instance Ghana for beka say oh say omampani say wamaye relieve more than 50 kilowatts wamaye 50% relief below that, which is 50 pesos, will be in water bill, 3 months will be in is that enough? And as an anchor, I buy no bit me. I am
say my men say na my main cancer me education they a continuous process into no say me nu aka say yam fanya here education and I would not want to say minimum my mu have baby I want to say COVID-19 or
but like in Sugu how want it
unma de kudi ntia America sa was a day lockdown no by Greater Kumasi Accra any other regions no was the Kumasi is central in this country obi otu kwan wi afa Kumasi intimra for that 3 weeks no na obi antimi ntu kwan obi abebu sa say die nti ena mi ntimi ntwam Kumasi bi nti anye bia no obi a we certain idea as to idea esi that is the first one nti because minimum obi a want here and the amount of education a continuous process because World Health Organization crampono they were finding it difficult to understand how the transmission of the virus needs it here nti time bia no we need to be educating ourselves nti ende ya sudie ma obi bia obi a wo ho akwanya bia na wo se brano bia na educate ye ho ye kyerɛkyerɛ ye ho ye hia ntia e wo se me ye de e basa enu ntina no mampanyin so behwe mu a brano bia no o making sure say one Ghana man bi hia no making so wa kyerɛ baabi a ye duru ene ma ye pese ye ene de a ya ma be duru ene de ye be boa ya ma ya de na ye den atimi abrase emu hobi ene obekyerɛ niema o mampanyin e ya ma o my Ghana meme ye mfa eno meso ho se yade ibrem nko a Yaye bia na dia bedu. Ba yare ebiri mu de no extraordinary. He. Result fie be ene aye ka say yare ba ye ba March. Ghana fili yare ne pa March because they record your first case na in March. We started with mandatory quarantine for 2 weeks. We started contact tracing within that mandatory quarantine. And you be do no. So man penny dwen hwe kan. School be moto. I say dwen hwe kan. Ohun say bosume be mi ensemu de. Emu be yire papa yare ni mo. Ena mo de water free e de ban because water ne be boa wa ahunudie kwan so. Yewi anipa be hye fie bebre. Anye bia na education ye be fa bebre free kasafoni ni so wireless so your phones so money ade because we are not going nti mo kania ebo so ye den e de mai. E ma ye mu se ye betena fie ni mu be ye den.
No na NDC for be catch us say these things no eh sama John Rahman Muhammad kan ye. It is also company eh.
Ehokra na ehokra no bi kan sa asemi ana eme ya no. O kan so be ye den. So ono beti kania so nti ate so nti ni kwan senke ete so because waka.
O sente so no kra no de Togo ni ade no. Ye de go fo.
Onim Togo. Ojina Ghana ka Togo asem. Monko America. The greatest country on this earth. Monko so mo release a. Country bo they just postponed or payment of bills money ade keke. Ebi na wotumi no mo de ko bosome pe. Yes yet so. Ubetua after bosome so no more lockdown. Ade nti na one boss our countries ready. No de be na Togo. Ade na wo Togo a eso se na yen dia o maya yen bi o Ghana. Na go mbedwane aba. Ade nti na go for number des o mo ba Ghana because of ahoto ewu mu ntia. Yare brem kra na ye bre kra no. O mo number des o mo ba. Ebi na ati esi ye na ye ken. Se Doma West ni pani bi na mu o mo ye de o mo ba. E ya ahoto mbenya na Ghana ntia. Even in the midst of COVID-19. So they say, ye wi na ma nipa share dem ye o man pani na nya ne sa. Wanya ne sa. Obi o ma anyi bia na aduane kakra ye bi di anu ade enu aye. You make sure say because you them but they pia koto aduane. Now the last time I was here at Council of State, there was something very instructive. The chairman of the Council of State kind also see a year lockdown everyone in there. You have a COVID fund in the day and your mask. So we can distribute these masks out and money are there. And I'm looking at so there are 5 companies, local companies that are sanctioned on they are producing masks. And then share police for no. Yeah, my front line for the first because yeah practice social distancing. Yeah, omuni ebeko as first point of call. Ti anyi bia na refi baby na eden. Yeah, dey akọ baby. All these things are being done.
Wow, observe on for April bill. Electricity.
Oh, my who dey bring.
Obi say previously utiabe 100 Ghana cedis. No, top of the 100 Ghana cedis. Yeah. It do April no. Top 200 Ghana cedis.
You see?
And last time many came
yeah.
Penny Bako Kasai. Also confess said no top 200. Yeah. But only in the month of April up to 400 Ghana cedis. It tells you said you must have balance what they chose. Then also no. You be able. My main cousin me so observe you ebi mo there. Obi an 200 Ghana cedis no. And not 28 Ghana. Do you know one thing? Yeah, 1056. Just say ama eswa sati. Oh, no, 200 we call 28 Ghana, and 50 Ghana. So 200 cities. Yeah. In the month of March. Yeah. Okwa 50 cities. Good. Now they will go to Muno. Now they are so. They are so. Mo. And as nipa no here 100 Ghana, but you move to 28 Ghana cities. I've seen so many of those bills. However, it do tell me so. Mommy admonish you as people. A bread because say adie no oh we dey fanekwa Germany ni beka tu fashenki obeka se fanekwa no afọ de nsam yenu nyina be mo kane no odum ne kane abe anopa no nsia afọ odum kane na anajo donko obi betime agya ne TV na siso sa na air condition siso because of okai say emso man panyin so wonfa. Let us admonish ourselves and educate ourselves on that score also. But ene opepia bontine bisa there are considerable number of people and kane bill abafom kame no tiwe ka beti. So that I say there are people who will say I have no problem, but we should also be asking them say are they using it the same way no use? Can it be any pa no piano pa no nsia e bia no be efia anajo no nso ana bebo. Nansa dia no kre nyame no aka se dundum so am ebe mai because tie if you have a 24-hour schedule na so can ya a triple se bia 30 minutes. One thing you must bear in mind they say
ya na mfidie ne de adwuma ECG ne grid common net common ya de nya ni na mfidie so they say enti anye bia no say pressure abaso more so nim say pressure abaso because now we are using light like no other time because of lockdown no any social distancing and crowd will be class ofie obi tena TV ho no de hwe GTV learning money ade na oso TV na onumu no ni na pressure abakania no so enti bra no se bi e trip kakra me hu obi a ene obi tena ka so de kania esuma dada let somebody say o de suma dada ko oh ewe
atusu
or the sum dadako 24 hours
yes no, not 24 hours
yes San American
at least 12 hours
say 12 hours and then say 24 hours me say esum adadako dako ye 24 hours
so first me unu say aben
yeah
relief package or the ma Ghana for no so
oh relief package in the so any but I say nipa da sani they book or show Oliver Twist I say we would always ask for more. But can also say, once we are asking for more, we are cushioning ourselves somewhere else also. So we are cushioning ourselves somewhere also and making sure say the economy also runs. Anyway, say Omebia na edru ahuhia mu say the edru which markets them combinable and we can give examples of other countries. Those who are running for cover our IMF money are there. So they say and they say relief anka ama me do mu kro ni mu a kamane ato mu. But however, with all these release, cry no omanpanyin e dia maye no. I will go so dey man because only lockdown we are still enjoying it. Only lockdown we are still enjoying it. It is any other place biana and I'm telling you kian sakranka. Once we are all doing all of these things, me who say bosomi aso, about productivity almost make almost zero timase because ejuma nkasa no ya grande no. Still every single person on government payroll and kase bosomi so na ketu delay. Every single person me who be so that's it. So all of these things goes to tell you say anye biano and you create a relief package because even if we are not working and we are still being paid we should know say and a relief package for us.
Consequently, a Mensia North NPP parliamentary candidate hopeful. Sabat for never saw there. Number 12 said the JD Ekanon said I got a possibility and I said on Penny as Sunny Mudia and the BC said hand picky. Question is Sebastian hand picky. I could see Obeko and I said College of Someone and it was if you're on about
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winya no baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa ben na wo baby ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa ben na wo baby ahye amansane winya no baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various.
Television, Sinupi, Jumadi, and I Busua, ED. Fabian Bra, or share with skin and moi, what's up like it? One day, no Fabian Faso. Now, the young American King kind from Yatanasi, you didn't come up on COVID-19. Susan Swat, a day about any modern bar, Abano Airbo, and he was a gun for you okay about the Abano Yade Amaya now, saying Kania, see Yatisodi Amai, is where I sit here and find a pack, a home for social distancing, and wearing of face masks, and so I had here editing at the Amagana for me. And only because I said it is, and I said Ghana for one into me, personal measures, no, and yet. I'm Dr. Philip Yaubano, or Registrar, Health Facility Regulatory Agency, Ghana, and then for including Dr. Otianka, Yamado at the back of television.
You'll be chow and let you for your answer.
A team for that say, yes, that's when I'm ready at the Amaya. Doc, so far, Yariano. One equal a shas yana Ghana for him so ever form, but still no economy. I didn't know to say ever say.
You Michelle the chief interview, and when you said your kind of homework, the Siano Michelle, they say I could do 2,169 confirmed cases, and I mean, do what and I in the media. And you know, 229 and look at you know encounter some one form of crime. The social now a child like a car, say, I inquire a coso. And so, yeah, my mom, the castle Ghana for 9 million crime shake a sumo, and what your mountain and the Ghana Health Service, and the doctor say to me, and the pepper soa. And the pepper swan. His son says, if you are Ghana, no, you are toy area. You may need to have any bino. In case I am who do go on and yana, put past the mammy, and now, Papa, now a branch above our. I ran you tracing your testing, and when you do, when you be there, and yet, and a fear, and I'll check them, and I'll get no quarantine, isolation, and not tonight. Never done in the end, just no. Now the name or Yarion. Get about with you more. Not to go on with you. Near that testing, you won't have to sue with you more. Send your pouch, which me a pea. Continuing say a cost. And so no, it's answer yet senior test. Said them and I can be senior test near to anything like you. Let them account who are
indeed, Doc, yes, but it's a cost. And I say, if you are the other Diana, 1 day now.
So you are monitoring Diana, son of question, Anna.
Yes, I train you say a Bacoswa or Sorana. He said it 2048 no. Now I can so Kev no a yaba from the other day. You heard the same video. Is it yeah, training you say a Bacos be waka home. And I say, be a living hour.
So you are running the same year. Case me accounting, the number and Sebio, a better form. Now, the very say flattening the curve on the channel, up to a tour. The best who say, never knew a guy they say, year and as the engine ye. They become flattening the curve. Sinipa go and Yariano versus the hospital near Sabiano and Pani near Mayo. Usha Ghana, dear. Even Kwasa the Sabian fan charge and more here at the GFN ventilator night this year. Your Ghana nominee a bear for Hannah and all my. And if we have some machine, the circle need bears a dream and I do no cry. Yes, you want in the capacity to handle the disease and what they mention. And there was a good one or Hamo in Chumua, the original. So the woman I am cry. Almost Yasa or Makaba Hospital cry. There's a mobile do or Hamo Chumu, and maybe I'll make a crap. The demand for 1 or 2 days, near Mobity, a month isolation, and quarantine. We don't know any Pukas virus from Yakonomia. At the end of the year, testing, say, so you will share for now. If I so many cannot know, be I am not paying for no. I am giving any more than my. Usha, any partner, worldwide in an 61% of me are animal game pan of me, never been so much a boss. A man only 39%. Then I can only 39% for females and 61% for males. If you see a testing, I say, a collabina of one could feel not be an mammy abai, Nana, said that for crab you feel a seal when you know what to pack. Said your home to call by see a test to now the coffee now found for science you are very one now say what to be penny mobile tissue or the mention and now into now you myself into testing a new home and you have good advice on my design no more maybe or more net testing in the brain no do the in the no the sign for when you go back on the I have big problem and then of course for American man. If you are saying, I want to be a go. Yes, you have been a go. You hold about a school from coffee, one sorry to be uncome, and share you. Animal and a boy, no. And it's such a tested. They are testing more than 120,000. And you move 2,000. For instance, we've done it's less than about 1.5%. And I positive. We are doing the right thing.
But Doctor, we in charge. All health facilities are Ghana, regulatory. Facilities across the country. If you are ready, say you are ready to be a or make me also anointed.
You not echo question anymore. Who's the health facilities now?
Yes, if you are ready. And the because baby, say I didn't be pure. Nurse, one doctor for one with me as one mountain.
Your question is health facilities organ hanging on. Say I didn't be back. I am ready. See me back for Bayana. Nana Metin.
So baby, Ohio peace the ground in Biniho. Baby, Ohio, so Mokrano. A bad thing. Crazy beer. So you come if you also wear any beer. On which you grano, assume. And the user said, and I'm here in charge of regulating all the health facilities in Ghana. Facilities no say the city here.
Yo, madam se matwas wasem na se. Sisi ano enukweni emma ya yene efu atiene de. Na enyema nyina enye ready. Ne me kasa na men kan any question. But a man who was and Tempan or Montanian classes. Any PPs, nice session, N95 Nedicata, you know, any gloves, any sanitizers, any overalls, any gowns, any goggles, Nadiano. Or more crabby panaba. The young cry, the beer brain, and none of your day, my young colony again, or Motivation hospitals, no more monitoring again, Milano. A year, Colpuni hospital, I can start to show memo components again now, the minimum said the duck woman, you know. A year protection a bar. Diary, a setting your wardrobe, and setting your wardrobe. Never be our service hospital, Ruby or all part of Jin and Memoir, I abroad COVID-19. It being her the Java hospital, more said you won't hear oxygen. So being so, Mona will be instruction 1 year, we will need supportive care. And no and our hospitals is here. In the end, and said, if you making sure that the hospital and our facilities be about far, you do and staff, you do among yet more, some more gowns, some more goggles, some more overalls, said they should protect you among now will be. And I said, you almost so here supportive care, non so no, yeah, care for them appropriately said. The gloves not getting not say. Mary said, meaning not doing in place. Into try to say being a vaccine, and I say being a group here, but what point now? Inside the end, kind of thing I go home. What we eat, now in the Meso, Fanata Manchester, and Katina, Sonaki.
Amen. But not Madagascar for say, almost any drew. I will be crowned a Bregana. Means what here?
I must see a fan of them Jezebel, a Bruno. A dry almost develop for Ebola. I'm then a test is a Bruno. Na Ebola need and Timiamwa. Nana to be no vicious Obinium said, almost say as a first try and let's say the bit me a COVID-19. If you also air test to be sure, say maybe the first test results, and yes, and you should be being to be honest, a funny sound. The first news near good news. So, Remdesivir, the ban was for Ebola, but we never met COVID-19. Yes, Nipa be brave, air testing in no be brave, and so on. Oma minim so access in Robert and Naya Amwa Ubini of Tamivir Amwa Letonavir Amwa that's another medication at least and as a hydroxychloroquine pain more kind and so that the death is the first one Oma report to say ABI there's a hope for it. Maybe I'm counting on the vaccine. That is my best support about vaccine. As a year come back, I hope and just more develop immunity. It's not about but most of the time viruses, immunization is the best. Immunization is always the best to address it. But remdesivir a little more extra area. So you have done it. So you have been but the other people are also double checking. Okay.
Docs, Kumo television, soon can we afford that so young ready?
That's your book. That's been charming. Right.
It was for your name, Registrar, Health Facilities Regulatory Agency, HEFRA. I'm in charge of all health facilities. Oh, my Ghana, Dr. Bernard Yao Bano, Kumo this year, it could come. Besides, Yaria was in this. What is the immune system? No, and I'll be boosting ye. It would fruits more. Now, would the year, wow, I'm once on what you about my craft and they're free. But the best partner said, well, now, hands sanitizer, maybe nose mask, who could depend more than say, we should. Now, that precaution is happening for the boost. It is when the cyber, I'm got me at home. Etia yare COVID-19. So far, Dr. Kai, Maminko, Honorable Proud, Honorable Dr. stream say over 120,000 people and I tested 2,129 288 and 18 and so free. Nana before na ibusa say aben also was so Ghana for us and on here yakomo the why na ye so any na
His the way Osi handle Ebola days no ne nhihye bi na nyame nso ehu akoma pa owo nti wa ma Ebola ni bi amba Ghana o de normal bebre na toto oman Ghana nyina yanim na wo hwe a o ka ne na wotwe no mu na abo wabefa saa nka democracy e wo se ekono
ono no kan
obi nima obi kire even in opposition no doom rare to say yeah with the experience as a former president saa yade bia na no so ete say wo Africa mu no year mu entuto ye ne ade a Ghana nyame ye ya do me bia ma han which means o ehunumu ampa so obekeka bia
sinupi babe nsem be
sa ye sinipi say obeka say yente nkania so obeka say ensuo ne sa no ma ne nyina okan bia na nado aye bia ni wa enya his excellency John Dramani Mahama na kan ya ansa na nado ye na wasanso mpo osanso okan no ma bebre ebi ne say
I said the obey enso bra no still na criticize say enye sa na was wo ye nti so oka say your kind no mampani dia ada na mo secretary say enye sa
his excellency John Dramani Mahama beka say ensuo especially war on be lockdown areas na dey o say ensuo ye free na be bi mpo a woni nsuo no ye nhyehyeye a omo benya nsuo because ya dey we de kono kase pa ne say ye dey semana ani nsuo be wohoro yensa na say wo say wache nsuo no free na nipa no nsuo no kro oni bia mfa so be na wo ma no enti oye nsusuye say ye use tankers no ne sa no sabre mpo no be bia omo ni nsuo no ye ntwe nsuo nko ho se be ya ye nyina ya ho boa ye de boa say ya de we e be free wo no be free wo ana kanea no so ne boa no perhaps ye sanka ye free for this 3 months in boa enka ye good
and this sanka me free for 3 months
send this in a wo a nka yare no kra emba ha in the first place but so wo ka say ye wo ho in that context say na ba ya he be any free for 3 months straight
for Ghana for akọ him
yes ye ndwuma kra bebre na ahwere o ndwuma o enti nipa wo amokyere mu pa
but another way so say Ghana for being so busa say so mo kan say dia obra na dum so koso na babafo yi na mo ton fish ni ade na o madwuma ewu o na mo say boka sabda no kwa na e ma so mo amfa kakra na e ba no anche Ghana for
good ayesa wo de dum so e be toto sa de we hu sa wo hwa under Chairman Rollins Ghana nya dum so under President Kufuor Ghana nya dum so under Mills Ghana nya dum so esanso beto His Excellency John Dramani Mahama sabre npo emu ye de nche de atwam omo nyina mampanyina atwam nyina tuanamo so mbeso so ano enti say Rollins time ayanamo 2 year ane His Excellency John Ejekum Kufuor baaye no ebisa so baaye na chese utu anamo bi but sabi enwie pe but His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ka say ono ombe manage obe solve nti ene no mete say MPP for oka na nado asolve dum so a na ye bisa o mo say den na anamo na nado atu afa dum so His Excellency John Dramani Mahama time ano ye de anamo be no 2 year ye betumi aka ameri atoabo ene power badges ne normal eye ade a ye de yanim ene kania na gina enti ono a otu sa anamo na ene kania na no na ekyerɛ sɛ na egyina yakɔ ahohiahia mu fama ɛnyɛ free afe na ɛwɔ mbosome mmiɛnsa na Ghanafoɔ sa ɔhawa a yakɔ mu at least yɛ ho ha nka yɛ ba adwuma yi mo start sɛ mo bɛn ka 3 months mo ntua like because under the lockdown na yɛntumi nyɛ programs ne advert mba.
Okay, maame nkɔtakrade na mene yɛbia bɛma kuntu blanksen including nkɔmmɔ nkɔhwɛ sɛ takrade ɛfa sɛ wearing of nose mask ɛna afei so no social distancing no sɛ de city hɔ kuntu tu yɛn kan mu a adwa nwumere
yo na mɛgye so dɛmai
bia kɔkɔde
oh na do bibia bɔkɔ takrade ha
good takrade social distancing ɛna afei so wearing of nose mask sɛ na city hɔ amanfo di so
yo na me dace na me di kan tia wahwɛfo nyinaa wɔ Kumawo TV na sɛ de osi bisa no ɛba social distancing ɛne wearing of face mask ɛwɔ takrade ha America na secondary takrade ɛnso ne the capital a ɛka Western Regional na aha deɛ ɛyɛ bibi a ɛka sɛ yɛn ka ne sɛ sɛdeɛ yɛpɛ no no saa na ayɛ ɛwɔ takrade no yɛhwehwɛ no ebi sɛ na Bindi Kai, member Western Region, Regional Minister, Honorable Kobi Ochidako, member of our service, Emma Yanchi, and Kumasi, ne Accra, or more cases, you know, a Tampano, Regional Minister, name in paying for, say, no, you may do a Takadiha, Nipa Bosopa, Uba Takadiha, Ibaqua, and Nipa Bosopa, yeah, my first circle. Na do be a nipa nika every dia say we far enti no mo ye say no say the journey tie no nipa wo mu no e mo di kai aye satellite market TV ni na ka social distance mi hye no enti no mo e di market ni di ko e bi e fe no jubilita e na secondary so we wo ko ase market from the ko no mo ko e no so no o mo be sure say o mo chiche the phone o mo chiche obia so the distance na ye ka wa asem no e be yeduma say no cross no president in case you back no cross no ball the kenita kwade kwa ba so o wata hihye no saa so no ko gwajo bebre anana the can say say bank the offices no no dey to so pa wo mu e di so yi pa e fa ha akono na wo be ka say say dem pe fo no mo to fotu nyana yi pe ni bi no mo e wata kwade ha na say ku ye nim say de ko so no e no kwa nya no kwa no di say da chi bi ni le ka wa say e bi say e ko market bia ye di de a o ma pe boy abasi distance na na no kwenya mienu bibiri na nyeduma
wow
nyeduma kwa nyeduma eco stations de no kwa de wo mo forecast no union for na say dia de hye ne ba say car se fa miesa e fa mienu ye fa na ye fa miesa no amla say na station na ka sa na driver for ni mate for no wo mo tete ho no social distancing one more trade, so no social distancing. I have been brave. We could be to say more, maybe you have your bear more than yes. Also, also, yeah. You can with my phone, Agatano. Or Market says, I should share the request. Now, switch them phone and I've been over fine, shiny, and Yajuma. If you young blood, face mask and also. Face mask in Anna, person, dear, never say. We can't be more if he say, I'm going to na mma case dey need no takwade ase make cases say to takwade your cases in here
okay
and actually ebi no ma jaba say no say ade dey ya ko no dey say wo mo hihye ya pin foka no ye mfanya adwuma ko bebi no na wo mo hihye ma TV na so na NCP na cases say NCP ko dwomu a nana ko dwomu a edwom e ma no times kwa no bi won say ntiniye mpeyimfo ne jewa ni hihye mpeyimfo da tugwa se ne ekoso nya no bi ma chia na so montie ye mfanya adwuma ye mare bebre no ye mfanya adwuma se ni wa sei gaba kwa me ko jubu pa ko na em se eye de post ni ade na wo be a man to guso pa na social no mask no social distance na awe ho se ukira na ade NCP se de nya ye no
okay
guwa wo mo eguso no na NCP wota kwade ha sei
me assure say nipa bi anso emu chingu nko ye program bi o Western Region ma usi fo nko che o mu de
Ai so ni eken wana afode je mi ni say ye bia e bo apayo se so asode o ubi wa won ti ase e je na ko be bi kra se de a de ko be bi wo a ba ni restaurant adare na de wo e tumi e ko because social distance no nti mo se ma hye mo ko nya se chewe se e bia ha ni part ba ko na mienu obi ni sia de party that na ha na ya ma safe kakra wo be wo se ayonkofo e bo mu punche o ka pe so sa e de mo be ka tampo a ye ka se so ebi a die ken social distance e bitu ye mu temo nana ebi wo ka temi die e na wo de ma sa shopness na e atete enti no asodin ne die nana face mask ne share no Saturday second ni me nkwatre mu die NCP e dem ni ke kra ma ba kokumpi a e me se a no se e se Kumasi so magazine no o se a de ipa ba hapa because wo mo a me be di dwa mo me do mo ka e ba na mo fita fo ha no enye mo nyina so na sa face mask e ka ho asemi na mo di anima okay mo ni de se aban ne mbra a mo putre se ba ya ye hu se won sha se man ni udi
Kuntu Blankson yana se e wo so wada bre ye ya ba Kuntu Blankson a colleague journalist based in Takrade and what is say hono so no face mask no and as the kata ye hwene ne ya no do no ha omo enusu if you say the boarding e wan Ghana city utobi ana 2 cities e bitumi agwa pa ya fa seda enfama ka fefe capsules ebusia wo ye be ma tiime de mama me ma yo no SCP esita ene se bitumi wi de hyiamu na ene ma be koso won pem eno na wo sere no pa na wo yire mu amu obo abaso nya be ma ne mu be ma no kutri ebesie e dro ba ko aba e boa edi be ma asama wo mo ka fefe capsules o jonso a na emu yo ya ya na ese su fi bi enti fita bi ifu be ba no ba yare wa pe ma du ntemu a be ha pa kakra na ebi ekum be ma no usisi ena ya wo ya kafe capsules no nya bi a ebetimi abo pa sa so ena emma no boso me muntumi kura do no awa sa boso me so na obi ehunu ntimi nkwa aduma ntimi nkwa school nyina na so bu ne sa na pain pa ewu wo unya do ni betimi abo pa kafe capsules no bi entumi ento ebetimi abo eya na ase yapa na ama mpampa we do fitete na no ama yeso ya nu bia nu se so ani na isa yare ebi to na entumi ama tapa nko rufie ambenya bi ewo men san so ewo tapa nko a ambenya bi uba Kumasi Dan Heba Fredmans pharmacy another Heba ho nyam so ko ha ubenya bi enkran so no edo no abuso yo hia enso baba wura enne shop bia no a ekandu ko ha wo se me to fefe capsules ko no mo pe bi entumi enfama wo be friend du mu pese wutua 0207 183 819 0207 183 819 friend na du mu pa no ya fa emro aha Kumawood television jumadi no Silupi amesa nko honorable pra o na yenkoto so honorable na wo kire de nka NDC ebe ni different from the company nana before na bai
yes ti ni e kan nkania na asem no nkania no mpo no sesei omo a use prepaid no dia omo enjoy some relief and chese won tokra na mum koto a ne ya bibi aka ho ama enti what about postpaid for no so I was say almost ye nya almost so enhihye ye wo hu
omo no ubeyusu boso na so na be ona ba na abayi half of
good and no so omo mani nko the way I check no ho Ghana ne ye wo no omo mani nko the way I check it but so far omo ameni omo edi nkomo ba bi amadwuma wo ye ton bi wo ho ne ade I see people so omo ni age omo excited and they should enjoy it enjoy whilst it lasts. But ye munu say ye be say tu ya ka bi e be ba be da ho.
Na nka mo wa ni sita ma wo se nka mo be che free. Ni che free ya Ghana fo.
Ke tu ya ka we che.
Tu ya do che.
De ya Ghana fo na be tu ya. But the can say uhia sika na okobo bosia. So tu ya. But emra obekwa akwaje bosia ne de ye ma omra bi a wo de ye ne o pe right. Uwia na watua ye hunu se Ghana nkania ne mfidie ne ho adwuma ne nyina Ghana ejapade ye na ye bo ho mpra o ma panyini enyi ni bottom sika ntue obi abel aye to aye tuatua nti ye yi bi wo ha ne de akwahye bi ha emre nanim se no ma gina yie a ye betua but for now ne de ye enjoy otiasi ye enjoy
Evangelist Richard Pratt, a parliamentary candidate for the NDC in Siaso constituency in Ashanti region, and what take Nika. Mamma Sai and Paul, a particular a parliamentary candidate for the NPP. Nabato Persuanos on a worship, Messiano, honorable Collins Usama, and so on. Was it?
Say.
And now we can not a World Press Day.
Yeah.
My president, Muhammad Sukasai. And they know where Afrobarometer survey by na where press freedom ranking by. That's said Ghana Tiaba form 7. Where global na over Africa. The modern one and Kananka and yet Namibia. Veda na Ghana. Yes, I the record straight here. So His Excellency the former president in making statement here. CSC Nupidia. Now under the history of Ghana from 2012 to 2016, CDP, as first.
Okay.
Ewo ebibrima. Nemu na modern one ewo so as compared to currently the abe. Akwasi mintio Obamenda da Muhammad say ne modern bo a no body trefo yin fa di adwuma no eso en emudu a chen ho NPP e ma ba ho
say asemi kwa de ni kwanza nke discuss
say say wonti
oh ewo hwehwemu a sinipi maye dia ken kamba beka
wa o ka say wo hwe say ye boa boys and twelve for by mama you do my French and then this no na once and 12 for my family exen NPP and what the Amex one Manas Azuri and unions and
na no ye adwuma wo sunyane no okay no
Peace FM
reporter na no sunyane no ono de no anya nsɛmtwerɛni menkaya me am classmate and no more cans me no nya nsɛmtwerɛni o kan ni possibly yeah no say no journalist say no na to no kon wiye that was what was reported and abeboa enin emrebe na enin concrete Ashanti
I think on that
perfect papa ne is enipa bia kra ebia eye kra ehu hia se osi ni bo ho bai na de kwan kra san ke yo discuss ne say sebi ni na so nya ya na mnye so sa ba bia wo kra ye fade ya bibia because papa no begina woni ne nsem wo ken na ndron ko betwa say na Ghana ye number 1 na Ghana ye number 1 asi say Ghana no you fi say okasa you need short memory bi mu man penyin na kaje say your short memory dada ye kaya sempa ye koye chini abon kontina kwa akọhwe yes ye do say you are 27 out of saying 180 countries and amebwa fair deal but however one of the best performing so has always been Anado I mean can't you 2018 Ghana check it well
I will check for you.
oh check it well 2018 yet also 22 in the world. Na Ghana is number 1 in Africa. So I say eti anye bia na no kwa kwet mi ka bibia den ede ye nua no abobɔ mu din ni nyina so bi afa amani sa na ade ha dwen. But however, so what do no be excuse not because say you would want to launch a certain platform for discussion keka that should not be off. He has was a Ghana man ye we did to say e da aba anye bia na was ye kan one sem so they say but it doesn't mean say ko kan fan feed into Afa mon central for abaso adwumadi papa bi o maye aboa maye timi aka wansema ma nipa dom aye den ate but on the code be journal the score political points and na me breso de near than number 1 me breso and na me fan some tro for the edugu tipa tracking e we Independence Avenue ase me boa kan je say me boa eno no obo ho ban ye de atwede tare car tipa track ni epia obugu so mo nkotwa program na wugina ho na ye twa wudi wugina part to wo na the central for egu tipa track so na bambo eno man panyin dada mahamo o kasa mimi say baby ametene because onu ani mu ayo eso ya mo ko fan crofo dia no de toto ade COVID-19 ya relief ho ante so beto say e be kran ke fan crofo senate ni bi ni entity mi fa mo no nko mo fan ko didi obeka asem no because India for you be money and quantify the value of years we're doing. The referee say National Pension Regulatory Authority Act and as I buy no can as assessor the bayan so some the grammar certain omejai investment na why you tier 1 say senate for be ma that your friend annuity no be mo akopin so be wu last time ni twem but na the referee say all can no kwa na bit ma ko fa free ni ba no ko is the
the time manasi so romana kwa mani kase dunia moto media foundation for music kakra South Africa
aso omane kwa media foundation for the ko na that means onia hoto fi ahoto na no ni fi hwan ho one na etata no man pemi na etata no you see that is the problem that we have obi amane to obi a na obi peso ogina so the capitalization m1 no kancha John Mahama said his excellency m1 no ebi anipa na nkase mu no o se okwa eche na akwa ebi no no emu wa medwumadi bi a wadi a enu nti no ama bi obi tata ni different happen you know ono ko gan to a obi se obi fa nti no de ba be share man pan na no wote wa e dey say na working se papa ni de say example ni ba de is why ra kwan no why ra no enu sa no safin na nam de mi different no obi a obi na kai who different ya brante bi anu ni akete ko school na akete de BS and the banu the first the BS and the banu me the first no ko you BC so ko you BC na exams ne ba na akete sia na number 15 na brante na ono de bia no fi say akete sia nbiti no 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 on number 8 dia me hwe the results na ni mo say eh we di ensem was we ensem BC moki church yen no ko be boki na si
again ma be by why ya say indeed mo was in trouble mo my family ma
say me hu nsentwe ni bia wakọ ba bia ni adwuma you see yes ya ban ni aban yi criminal libel law free and abeboa ANPP aban and we gave you the opportunity to be able somebody be bold enough akwa abonti akwa enema ye so if not for anything at all we are living in a country and Africa is 2018 we were first in Africa we were 22 in the world the level of freedom and the plurality of media stations money testifies to that fact. No making examples of say there were some closed down I mean just it tells you that the man is out of touch with reality. Why?
But I say not true, sir. Radio XYZ.
Yes.
Radio Good near the my baby. I'm free. There was.
Sir. Say before adwuma ne yachiwa yenya na to aso ye adwuma. That is the first point. And since wua police so can't just pain into your wound to the factory car. No, somebody should tell me. Sabi yedemra wo e na nwene wo man. Ya make sure say emra na timi aboye nyina ya bra bo aye ye wo de ben. Ejina na obi amfom kwan no. Say wo ya ma wo kwan nya. E the radio radio very limited. Mo bibia na ya kwanya na ye de ama wo. E we limited no. Ti yenya yi bi ne de man say jina so na fa ye adwuma. It's a privilege. De ama wo. It comes with certain responsibility. And they say, "Ube making sure say, ono ade ma wo no afibia ne say ebre no ode ahye bia so a kone access ni na wonye sa ade no
edu bia amra de kum edu bia yegum kaka
ya wo mra ni na ye nkoso nya nyema enye so ehwo na ya na the problem ne ba no
is it not surprising to say the Mahama can those stations no akoye pro NDC
eno kwa na wo seche o se mra na obu man ne se no unma de kodi ntia it means no hye ne mani kutupa mo ya de bone so on say yet o license ewu ye buy no na ewu ache e na du no bi kwa me sa mo makonya se wa de ewu kwa ne bra moratorium ne no ntena se na ye den na ye sa na authorities ne ka kire wo etu o na na egu na nam se na ye NDC pro NDC nti no bu na mi gu so mo ye na na
was it this moment
so that say e pro NDC nti o jaye so license na wukura na ya ma sa privilege na the spectrum ama wo no limited no e wukura to aso na ye adwuma ye fa sa nchekere man ya wo mra ni mu de emra de na ye miem emra ni mu de hin ye miem na de hin ye ngumu
that's adwa blessing also the fusunyan o say my road pa e ha be papa say bishop Bernard nyako what me to na no won say na mu ye sese busuafo nyame enka omo Charles Amwa so e free kumawu kwa we enko mudie no mani aso pa ne mu kacha DC ni no studio wo ne se enye de ombeka no ne bu ya bem kwa bi aso se de tu bum e ma na 20 16 no e be san ato
sa betu ni bum rada
ono so e de no Naomi Nitifo e de freaking time ko so so Mike me hwemo pa catch NDC ni no se ya bre no ya re kwa na baga no o me ho toye na unya yo kaka na o be so die en we every mpempem ne ho e na wode aba o se mani gusu a me hwemo e fita kwade na monka enkyere Ghana fo nyina mo nte se takwade ha de se na abrante no e kan face match no do no no enyu subi social distance no na ekoso kakra ono so e de no Tripoli na we di Philippa Thomas Afan o se mo te Ghana na mo de mo ye de mo ko US mo he de ekoso na NBC for te Ghana na de hu no mo ye ka kire mo se yare no ye bom pa ye pa se ntie NBC for no mi na nko na next time omo e be
empire one day ye mo bisa na bi
we dia de aba Angela Owusu was ehu emi before kasa se de Ghana yomo dia ne mum se Mike ka kire mo se Ghana yomo dia e be pam e be yomo ti ono so dia oh right me san emra mejebe 5 minutes before na fi yanko tifo na yanko form so me mum yan fast da emfa ma Anolen Royal Enterprise enei akonya naba aso fa mo tifi amo heme yinu se ahon se naba pa na on se so se ya na ehia se ubenya obi betumi aso asene no ti na Anolen for aba se enei de instrument bia no ohia na odi bedi djuma e wo aso dem no omo e de brew e bo no so ketua bi na omo je wo na de aka no wo tue na kaka ko so wankasa no ubetumi atwa wi enti wo ye asore na ope organ ope e de amawo se no so bo no fo mpa o busia na no da ko ho na nya agro tumi say yes ahyemu ahye no mo de ne ko na omo etumi mu a so fo no mo frɛ number we 0244 073 525 0244 073 525 frɛ no na ɔnye wo so wobɛhu no ɛwɔ krono Adonko Junction hɔ ɛna Anolin Royal Estate Enterprise ɔmo ɛwɔ kɔ na ɛkɔgye mfi papa bɛtumi de abɔ nnwom ama nso asɔre no ɛtumi atunkum asɔre bi a nnwom no ɛdɛ no asɔre no kɔ so kɔ na dara mfide no bɛtɔ na ɛntumi ɛmmoa Honorable Richard Pratt ana NDC ɛdeɛ na mo yɛ a mampɛn dada mahama hɔ kan yɛ asɛ nso aba ho yi sɛ na nsɛntwerɛfoɔ deɛ na nka yɛ ade sa
yo minua adwuma no wɔn a anim nim mu bi yɛayɛ biara na mehu sɛ yɛ ka bi ma menka bi no sɛ bɛkɔ n'anim paa kɔ n'akyi yie sɛdeɛ yɛsi pɛ no a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛma nsɛntwerɛfoɔ yɛ wɔn adwuma wabere a obiara hunahuna obiara wohwɛ a yɛayɛ nipa no nko adeɛ at any given time ebini ebenya ɔhaw kakra with ebinom adwuma yɛ na mmom deɛ behia yɛ ɔman panyin sɛ aban a ɔwɔ so no anamontu a obetu afa saa asɛm no ho ɛna ɛbɛma sɛ nipa abɔ hu sɛ saa anamɔ wɔ yɛn sɛ wotu ananso sɛ wɔ sɛ wɔyere wo ho ɛyɛ sɛ wohwɛ a Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo Addo bɛdi akonya no ɛyɛ mmerɛ a enka yakɔ yɛnim yɛwɔ 2020 yɛtwam 2018 ne wa bɛduru ha enka deɛ yɛhu anda Nana Addo no minimum MPP foɔ nyɛ deɛ nka ɔmo pɛ sɛ ɔmo hu ni enti saa topic say what the more they will be forced to run back into in fear be a twitwam no more for PKB and ya be equalize it but senka under them and see and come the betu omo time be MPP communicators would it or how be a course when Ghana for susu say enye what the bomb one no more to many ahwe omachi nkroma pen so Rollins Spence dey see no mo dey abeg justify na dey emra ye wo mu ye emra ehu kase pa na da ensantropho so me kura me nsam me amembo listen wa hwa ye bepon na miwie TV3 journalist no Western region ni din de Ebenezer Kwame Abaka soja for abon ye anda Nana Addo ahwefo MNTS yese se ye ka se ye bo Nana Addo din a enye se Nana Addo atwe aba na esi obi so na emom se panyini tifie na mofra we nanka sa panyini ye bu nanka wefo emre bi na ye 6 March or something GTV obi a ohwe ebekai there was this cameraman no okọ Nana Addo anim na the way police for the soldier for no be yi no munim se cameras ni bi si ne so na Nana Addo hwe e won no ko so je den ye ko ye nim no ye hwe Daily Graphic menyamba Ahmed Suare wuo no menyandru ho me bobo Daily Graphic ono so ya friend Victor Kwaukum Kume dia ne ye police ahwe ni yie police gonna abuno and Nana Addo yanko ye Ghanaian Times journalist me bubodi no ye ono so your friend is saying a brand ye bi ono so ye hwe ne sa but there ye me dem esan so ye me ye buma kume kraye there see wo NDC national headquarters Haji Afati Euraba Ohima Sechiwa NPP headquarters on say mekan ya wahu what name wuni edawutrim because we are centroni dia na Haji Afati hwehwe Euraba no ani so ye kokko bisa no a o se Euraba no ne ho se obi oton geni na se bi ominua se wo hia ana hu obi oton geni a emra ben na ma kwan se bono because oton geni ene se ko court ya boneka mamemra Ahmed Suare dia no ye Tiger Eye eye Anas ne na bofro ne ni ye adwuma omokoju anamo bi fa GFA football nsɛmsɛm ewia kete yato abrantie ni tu tete miensa ekun obi di hia ya Ahmed Suare yabusuafo nyame enka mo ho no hye mode samre mu ye nkremofo mu de mafu eto ho mo mpa ebo no mo mo se nyankopon be yi sa abonefo no eso ahaban ba bi omu obi ya menim se sankom kirewe enkwa wiye ye be mu sa abonefo sa de we si nanado penso Manase Azure die nti no dwane ko South Africa because waye galamse ho adwuma bi ama MPP mpanyefo mu wom anya omode nti na wo se odwane ye de nko sie ene media krambo ni omu ye adwuma no wafiri multimedia because omu yi ne maye it is perceived
certain the record street.
Yes.
Manasi Azuri awuni beka say onoa no as Manasi no eno feel say opese we join multimedia.
Good.
Na otwa so.
Good.
Ntimi ni bia
so o kan say we twa so umbisa no
platform na dey say yesi ni pia
me see ni pi na maka say the response by multimedia there omonye subject of discussion anya brand ye ne de Oma mo ne ho ban nti ya fa no nto ayade a esi wo andananado obi a yese ono de emse wiase ye ka obi a oye human rights we dia nkananado de wunsa no but ye hwe no ma ekoso me yansam troni ene nsam trofo krampo wo ye wadwuma na usuro because ye to me mbo ho ban Rafik Idris
ha be close to 2 hours yatia say
Camera CCSU. Rafik Idris. Another multimedia journalist. There near the police headquarters. Ya bono na no HI. And the idea shall come. And another, dear na money yetu. You see, on some kaye. Say, ya nipa na ye de ya. Ntawantawa ne sa no ma no. Wadwuma wasema wo kan ne krampo. E bia bibi wo wanima obi ohwe TV anya ne fe. What you say? But I know in say on be attack you. And I say, some from so ne ba, dear Bena, a Juma in penny for be and no better wa reshimu, any of more DB. Yentias, yes, and another minia, I can say we were ranked first 2018. That was the time Manasi, Azure. And it's a normal way. How do you go through this and say you are number one? Or say you're mother. Or say mother, but you see, some woman koso. That's all penny. And to me and to one or more, I'm where you move by ya. Yes, and drove with you man. And you move back to yes. Into the fact say no more money corruption. Anyhow, how baby air koso and another. A bin to me, Samson and the tea. Na Upper West regional minister ni dwiri mu a o di abrantie ne bete etu e de no o dwane be she enkran anya andananado. You see, I'm not saying it is good. I know MPP for senkansi ankomu de be bo mo safohene but esi no enyo mo de enu nti on to me nkonde mo de obeye ne se de esi under Mahama na wo bo Kesben Centroni confidence keba One say, what's name? Confidence keba, kwanya ofas wuye. Obi de kokum na say wa ye obi adwuma na. Ye ka ne wuye adwuma. Wuye adwuma sinome. Wuye adwuma na wa adwuma yem no. Obi ti wo say enye ne de. Na wan hwe ne ye obekum say Ahmed Suare. Ananso say obabu te say Rafik. Ana ohima na ekire ye bisa wa say wo mu say obi oto je ne. Sani ya one year no ma eton je ne ana ma eton je ne ndi ehu o ma yen kwabo boni be na de oton je ne ni ayi
right me that say
you see MPP
me that say evangelist Richard Pratt mensia sorry in so constituency NDC parliamentary candidates and out say also nenkano Moses kakaba la menkan wi na afi wi ayemra amana so na mo so mo friend and my bench emra and that's what kwaji e differential of o say e bojuba o tia akwasikuno do na osikuno e obi a or support ni papa dimension of we now and kind no say yanka MNDC for MTS say omusu ma nkore makora no a enya de say omo betimi our power 2020 no so no okay we say me hwe pa na hwe ka na NPP for no so ntiu say yenya ye won kura se no so mu ye ebeduru ho omeba ebehu ni ebesi right ye fa no si obetimi abem wo hwe o screen no so a lines no ebuso obefre 0200 0200 603 602 0200 603 602 wait me abem na yafa ofra wadaroma eya ma TV set no enkofo na yente onka emfa enfree o phone eboy pa ama amanfo so moti no so atumi abo honorable bi anya mai no yes para
say medase on with passion minu na asem that shows the level of edewa eyeno ewo niam bi ba me meka na meka na meka sinipi abụbọ wo mudin ni nyina no ebia no ye state sanctioned bibi na two say nipa krom. That is the first thing you must understand.
State we okay
ebia no ye state sanctioned.
My hello good evening.
Good evening.
Could you have free into your room?
My bachelor with the end of that proper because I took master the chancellor.
Good.
I'm more about the power no producer. That is so honorable so Richard Pratt with the Malaysia PC or no maybe two honorable can come. The original one of us apart. Nasha Motoko, but the local sub of my system of by Kaka proper mechanism. So be our Kuma name say. Okay, Dr. Burmiani and Nakufata, not really kind of for papa because and she shared an Alkufa, you know, kind of any on Pegana for ye. Will be a couple gun a year. You come with that kind of force at the end and then 15. Who can I say them? And I'm about 20. No years, 2000 and I'm 2000. Who giants say, Uncle? I feel I have to say, no, Ghana for some Mahamadi or no Ghana Sikan or Seno. You're new hospital. Then person be son of local father, Dr. Bernier, and then you're hospital. Hospital, but Mahamad to see what the Pamia de Adina. And I said, a dear, you toss her, can not why, can you bring a local model? Oh, Papa, Jabaka Ghana for the.
Okay, Dr. and I'm telling you, 0200 603 602 ofra na wallo TV set no na ya tonka.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, about free.
Hello.
Hello, good evening. Good evening, about free.
Good evening, but I'm on live program and person Basil.
Sinipi mai yanko.
Me bacho me de osai. Hello.
Osai etio.
You me de osai me kasa free asin fusu.
Okay.
Me problem kakra ne say. You were Mahama ba o yibiu. It no MPP for no mo say. Me say MPP for no mo say. You were Mahama wa yibi. It is an akufa to so aba. Hospitals na kan you dem no. On fe no nyi mai me hawa na. Me ta masne juma pa mo ye.
Osai yeso ya da say ya chi asin ko support. Okay. 0200 603 602. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening, boss.
Would you have free?
You're from Isaac, make us free at Mago.
Isaac Sinipi mai yanko.
Without power, so I'm going to and you made it tell me for your papa. Or the COVID-19, a compare electricity said, being so by Mohammed Yansan or the COVID-19 ecosan. Yeah, Papa, no, but the America, the only nuclear. What cut off 2016 with the tablet? What else, and your crowd would have compared my idea or what to put it to and green. One Saturday.
Yanasi, good evening.
Yeah.
Abani, and why don't you ring?
Good evening.
Who free here within?
Hello.
0200 603 602 ofra na wa TV set na ya to kan e wo phone bi no we tun abem bomwa.
Hello.
Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening. Do TV no ana lo no kra na ya to kan.
Good evening.
Udi ni ba bia free.
I'm from Bekum, Pacho.
Brekum Sinupi yanko.
The only say, maybe make anything. Sabaya Abai, or dear Hamota, to Frank. Now you say, Anna Babe, and I am very wine and said like Uncle Twaba Amman, because Nata I shouldn't like Nata or that. Ghana for more in the Opa. Abai home. Other be a central photo. And John photo. Almost a few microphone. If Mambo any correct and like you need some aspect. It's my feeling when you buy. Oh, Abai. Yes, I'll be able to help.
Money Yanso Yadasi, Etia Brekum for 0200 603 602. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hello. Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening, my friend, free and you.
About the TV.
About your mind.
It doesn't make a program. So that's
Good evening, my friend, free. Sinipi Yanko.
You know, if you also might not work, you know, this is one of women too much. Again, Ghana, pound, Castle Diana, Ghana, new woman. It was, yeah, the woman, a good word, warrior, Ghana, mine, Ghana, for me, a new shop. So, any initial, you say, a quick for every half at 20, every lockdown will be a 2. Lockdown should come up and a good word, the Ghana for politicians, whatever you want to what I would have to cook. You say, Ghana for the a good word of power, okay. Mama, I need to offer a bunch of what the Captain San. You know what we have my Ghana. What do you want my Ghana? She, it's what we want any now. Let your woman bring up a part of the Ghana for a carriage. That is what you want the Congress strong. There's enough of fear to
Yes, so yeah, that's it. 0200 603 602. Over na why in TTM to me at the higher Kumawood television. Sinupi. You may repeat it and Opebia into Ayana question so to me at the Amaya. Ubianyamai, I mean, yes.
As I'm making say, and then maybe no state sanctioned. Say, on my body trimupo. The power net cranny same quack brainy paya away in the Jumase. So they say, journalists next trophy in the here be information. Information is the time I could do baby minimum. I don't think I buy it for 20 solid good years. He make sure that the right to information bill. Ya pass it. I sent him about the law. It is in the baby how will be. No he has whooping. Now the do you must say journalist. That should be the first priority also. Secondly, one hour
and taking full implementation.
But you see,
you're supposed to start in January. But I mean, no, say and taking full implementation.
Okay, and take care. Maybe I made you want to use implementation and I'm a one. And the BBA funny dream. And I mean, no, can we are not in normal times. And then the part was saying that January, you start here, waiting me a year fully. COVID-19 by or maybe you know what me a year fully. It is when you run near the amount. Naka de year, man, be a busy.
Hello, good evening.
Mebajo ose na masa me pese ni bisa question bi kakra.
Okay, was anything.
Mebajo na ayi se 2020 nyame pemu se o ma na se yare da ho na se yentimi anto aba. Mebajo pese mi hu se ho na be president e wo Ghana.
Ibinya obi a be na
mebajo se
Chief Justice na
you me da se. Hello na pese mi.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, free.
Sleepy FM Ernest. Me kasa from Saudi. Na me monitor yes sir, me monitor mo program ni ye pa na mo show no nyame nhira mo. Mo de ye. Na de meka ni chia ona mo akosi ko edu mame. Na bona baso. So mame. Na do ta kwa na obi kasa se siaro. On top of MPP da. No be so to aba MPP. See a political party. Let's also say NDP about a more good year. And you know, a long time and now no more coso, no more come and get a coso. Let's also have a more one who got a surgery. Another don't come and move every. Papa, that the best mention of Padeshin ye. A branch of to a corner of Cosipo, the best friend of Moye. Not for week year. Sharp renting him for my. We look at a woman channel. I'm a mention of Puntu. I also am I mean, I events young pra, and so me channel for that's it.
Ernest, yes, so yeah, that's it. If I made 2 courses, Nafi, and they are afraid for next year.
Yes, indeed. So, okay, say take it for implementation. No, dear, yes, we'll be a bit me a canisa. But however, say no one the ananke ho. The empire boy airborne say COVID-19 in Beko. No full implementation, send me away journalists who see pen because that is what we all want. Yes, I need a pen. Because me, I'm yet to me, I have a right to information. So, as me call baby, I'm casting me here, this, me here, this, me here, this, me saka. And I trust me, you say me, oh, you need power, Juma. I was seeing a way certain mindset, a way dream. Or the or tearing pattern. I was say, Usushefa, Imwa. I was say, Utimity will be answered because one way on, a be an yet actually. A be an abia to be so in some training, you're the best say be an Juma dear keke, I will dear sense and training to the meton. A be so antessa. Because nipa no bebre nya amania konsori mu obi o ahwere ne nkwa onye nsem troni
the CNDC penso de o kasa o do se subo kan pe se NDC penso we ikunwe
mo
it was under Mahama
mo
ana na the CNDP penso de o kasa o se obi a esubi ebetimi ama bi akosa so bi sa na no se NDC so de no so training bi so subi te na akoso bi
emede the same as in America. That is why I'm making reference to say a BSc pen. And I'm giving you say Obia yen a Juma, a baby out there with maybe a baby betting at all. Because there is pros in Ibi so away in a Juma, as in the atono. I am a Wahran Enqua. You were driving near away in a Juma, as a matono, on a Sahran Enqua, not necessarily because they were driving internet or no, and also a pros in India, because Oyenipa. It is a journalist being in a Juma. Maybe be a tune and nam so ni din dan so a journalist in would relate to say the Juma Oye as a journalist in Quentin man side into. Now we are not being fair to the other professions in so I want. As a journalist, yes, we can. Mummy can ye. What I say? So we be see and not just because you do be a wood in anti and a matter. But be a bit near Siama be a to. Sending away crumble being a quenchia or care more. And I'm so a journalist in Timuina quenchia or care in Indiana.
Aseda enko enfama anole Royal Enterprise and afi so kafefe capsules pedro ni bito na emwa yere na ya sore so honorable
minia
ye ko ne
kra ne say am me enya me nwanwa say minia akwasi de taxi drivers ne ade betoto in central ene asama ye kan ye nka taxi drivers ye nka omo etontos ho asem ye kan sentrofo ho asem andananado ametuare ye kunu wona dwuma oye ye nti ye hu ne okunu no enanado is okay enunti Ghana ewiase nyina edemti America ne say ewiase nyina de ekoso won sentro dwuma mu no omo monitor omo hwe Ghana say ye kwayechi ni omo kan say nsentro adwuma no sabi ehu bia bedan sentro fo so enam say ne andananado we ahwe ye kura ye bekum. It's a fact anya de ye mede because me so me ye sentro adwuma ni bi ene me kasa me hwemachi anya sa na driver ni or driver ni auto moko a wawu ni ade de wo de be keka ho sese agro no afuno mo enti se ne a afrefo no kan ye no nyame ya adoma 2020 omonto omabama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama nanado senka Ghana fo anto abama na ke yebeka se ya mfomso a ya ye but na ye hu de papa ibetumi aye wo hwe wasitire mu enkoyi nsantre bi ma no kura enkoyi enti yantuntia nanado no nkoje na home His Excellency John Dramani Mahama bema ba Ghana fo afew
His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Pia, we the free evangelist Richard Pra, in Chayeso NDC parliamentary candidate, no, and a Obekaya, now it may see Lupi, Kumawood television. So, was it?
Say, okay, the crack say, you can and come once him, but man can profession once him. It was said, Reverend or the Trinity Missa, and Kwabia and Kwamame, not necessarily say Ukra Mike, and also Ukra Ba, and also Bobo, and money a day, and Kwabia once him near kind. Now, and maybe a train Munche be about 3.5 years ago be, not Omotunum be, JM Twasso, NDC for no, a what, or better opposition was a opposition. Oh, Nana Ghana for the Chemo opposition. What they do was Ghana for actually call. His Excellency Nanado, Jumapa Yedi, no. And then, my Munimina will be here with Jumapa Yedi. So, Wama, a young person, Quebecas, a great disservice to ourselves as a country. Because in Kwamana, you have a Ebola number 2 to COVID-19, Congo. Pray the best of the 2 free Congo, Bagana. Now the Ebola number 2 to COVID-19. Ghana na the 7th. I don't feel merit. I'm just telling you, I could get to Dubai.
Right, I was going to a NPP parliamentary candidate go for Mensiana of constituency, and also a kind of no, it's me at the Bremo. Ne, Yesinupi, Yami Admotina, a vetuaso, na Yesinsenupi, I quite fasoa, or mine on able to me at 2. When faster, Emma DOP, Kobe Frank, VTR, Mestina, and San, MCR, Loretta, Numazi, so a production manager, Ochinozo, the one, and a production manager, PR Bernard Abde, director Samuel Kwabna Dakon, DJ Lofty, and a affiliation Queen AG, and so a boy, a rating the Mimidin at the Michael Nana Atomacon, obey me after me, say Mike, Nami Atom, Nadom Domea, Ochina 4:30 to 6:30. Asia Elsa Yaso Kumawood television na yemfa Sinupi emfa Emro Sinupi no man tumpo Sinupi na oman enina dakram.
Now you can watch your local Ghanaian movies right on your mobile phone. Simply download the Kumawood mobile app from your Google Play Store or Apple Store. Register, subscribe, and watch lots of local movies in English and various local languages. You can also get access to the latest news updates in the entertainment industry daily. So what are you waiting for? Join the fun. Download the Kumawood app today.
Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yebi Sini papa be na upe bi ashe Amansane winyano baby ya